Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 28. GEUNYANG, which means just because in Korean. Again, GEUNYANG is used to say just because. This is an expression used to say that there's no reason at all or you're just curious. GEUNYANG is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is K. This is composed of a Gia character and an U character. The second syllable nyang is written with a Nian character, Ya character, and an Iyang character. We just need to combine these two syllables and you can already write the word GEUNYANG. And with that, you've just learned GEUNYANG. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 18 to 27. But don't forget our word for today, word number 28, GEUNYANG, which means just because. The first word for our review is word number 27, 빨리, which means quickly or fast. Word number 26 is 잠깐만, which means just a second or just for a while. Word number 25 is 고마워요. This is a polite way of saying thank you. Word number 24 is Chingu. This is a Korean term for friend. Word number 23 is 그만해. This is used to say stop it or enough in an informal manner. Word number 22 is 좋다. This is used to say that's good or that's great in Korean. Word number 21 is 감사해요. This is another polite way of saying thank you in Korean. Word number 20 is 고맙습니다. This is a formal way of saying thank you. Word number 19 is 고맙다. This literally means to be thankful, but this is also used to say thank you. Word number 18 is 잘했어, which means stay well. That is the last word for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.